What's Harry drinking?
With tea.
So, what are we building?
Halfpipe.
Oh,
What is
you want to show us?
that? Yes.
What up, what up?
Put rocks in it and then we... Dad, how are we going to make the halfpipe? We're drilling a hole for the pencil. And we're measuring 66 inches for the transition.
You can go to DIYskate.com to get the full list of instructions. Ours got a little confusing because we took their micro quarter pipe plan to make a full half pipe. Do you think we need a bigger garage? Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Hi. And keep moving down. Get away.
Hola.
How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Abby.
And now?
And I'll be doing that side too.
Oh yeah. I bet you steak and chicken. Oh. Oh, guys, Is it tight?
Pipe. Let it down.
First up, Augustine, we're all done. Down, right? Push all the way down. Push all the way down. It's definitely working. Ready to go skateboard?
Yeah.
Let's go. Grab your board. Whoa, look at you. Hard, hard, hard. Yes. Look at me, look at me. Yes.